kati nawe gye baliko mukwano. Si buli we ngenda okuyimba. Tosala kigambo, but I do it once in a while because I'm a big fan of Ugandan music. Yeah. So gerangako, but one thing I know, I'm a biological fan of Sheba. Achimanyi ntinze nambe muwe mukumuwagira. Of course not. So gerangako naye. Newe tuba tukola challenge temutubuuzi. Lwaki wemba ziba musi anti yange next stage jenzeko. So it's all about promoting Ugandan music. Yes. Copyright eyo era n'ensonga zitannaba kutereera because nange nina ezange nze nganze nina ennyimba zange, but then because kino ekintu kikola ku TikTok abantu ne batwagala nga tukoze challenge zaabwe. I feel like it's the same picture that you're supposed to portray when you come on stage, but relating anyo buli walaba ka challenge wakakoze ku TikTok chokano jane ku stage no kajayo. It is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. Aneda tosala kigambo mbukati go wondaba wano gamba bannange shiba nedda no tosala kigambo. So many girls but artists bambala webazi. Yeah. So ndi mwebonizi nyonyonyo era tino mzanyo gwa form pya baguta gregarious. Yes, guli nyonyonyo kwidi tugenda bera nago ne kumande Easter Monday tugenda bera na shobiri je ndi nyo era nga nina ne show. Na concert others. Chichi tuwategedde abantu kujjako emizanyo n'okuyimba ennyimba z'abantu. One thing I should tell you, Omanyi, walo lumwe na posting that I have a show, and someone was like, Chicha agenda kukola. That is the one reason as to why you should come. And you come, you testify what they call talent, because me I do MDD, music, dance, and drama. You do not have to miss out. 30th August, nakubamba. Ekyabalogo sikyogerangako naye enkoko ekyobulogo sikyogerangako naye enkokola jeziri era zo TV nazikowa naye enkokola jeziri naye ekyo kiri buli wamu. That is everywhere. Sikyogerangako bakuloga Nkokola and people not valuing what they have. Yes, omanyi obeerawo omuntu n'omubeereramuko. Of course sinza abeera omuggalanda, but you have to appreciate the time gye nkubeereddewo akatono oba kitegeera. Yes, so ebintu ebisinga, it's not all about money, but also appreciating my talent, even the time that you invest in. Tewali ate nga batugobako ffenna twavaako ffenna naye bo lwakuba ndowooza baddayo ne basaba nze kyesaasobola ndowooza nalina omutima omunafu naye nga baatugoba ffenna saalina na buzibu nabo. Ani? Sister wange ki? Do I have a sister? Who? Ani? Ani? Brusha yani simumanyi. Brusha yani Brisha Cash. Simu oyo yali mulamu wange. Naye simanyi ennaku zino kati binkwatako nnyo. I can't lie to you. Birungi ekitonde ekisajja mashallah tukomaawo mashallah wanji ate nandibadde wano era mbadde naye omulabe ng'afuwa Grace Khan oba mubaleetere mulabeko Lily Curie zende kantambula naye omwana tu aba oyaga soka mukebera tawaana gwe muleka omwana tomwogera don't ye mwenge ne bavaako kikyobogerako ate nga bolosi baba
saagala kukyogerera nnyo because I personally I do not choose anything era sibeerangako mu kifaananyi kyabwe naye but one thing I know tulinzeze so many talents because of that so oli asobola okwebeereramu n'akikozesa naye mu magezi okitegeera oba oli n'akikozesa nekimulya so aboogerera nnyo because nze sina kyenkozesa oba okitegeera I just want to say thank you so much for supporting Aji's work. The Stage Queen is back. 30th August. I want you to come and support me at Theatre La Bonita. Bambi mujemo mpagire. Mugenda kulaba show etabangawo ekyombalayirira. I'm honestly telling you that truth. People who know me, they do know me. Way back in 2019, we did it. Let's do it again. I love you so much.
What do you see, sir? Baby, I'm so lazy. I'm so lazy. Every day I'm changing. Baby, I'm so lazy. What's up? Kadokoze nyambako Kuluno sefira Udemsi wunduliza Watako Baby sitako Agenda kubako Lelo Kubako When we talk to you Katio wata Oh wata Yadi yapeta Kato wata What do you see me as? Baby, I'm so lazy I'm so crazy Baby, I'm so lazy I'm so crazy Kose nyambako Kuluno zemfirako Kapube msilu numezako Mkwatako Kano kose nyambako Togenda mbako Lelo mbako
Hold it I want you to make some noise for Joe Butter. First I want you to make some noise for the Stage Queen.
Single Wagana when they want to put the Zandemania, so the Babalita and the Babalita. Since you are connected to this, so I'm a quillica, I'm so willica. Why so when they want to put the Zandemania, so the Babalita and the Babalita. Since you are connected to this, so I'm a quillica, I'm so willica. Wakala your west with your red voice of the Diggy boy come to us. Diggy da. Whatever put us flow come to us. Diggy da. Biggy boy come to us. And the door. Biggy boy come to catch. Whenever put us go come to catch. Biggy boy come to catch.
Makalulu kalwa bongere. Come see the way I run this city.
Where every man wanna box this footy. Come to me.
Say what? Tell it again. Come on.
He's gonna to bring it back again. This way to it again. Jump and dig us some boy that's again. back again. Help me say, come it again. Some that DJ cut them off for one. Let's go. Come see the way you run this city. Why every man wanna boss this city? I make you stand up and don't begin. So come see me, come see me. Come see the way you run this city. Why every man wanna boss this city? I make you stand up and don't begin. So come see me, come see me. Na bokola kaya talabanga ko. Sini na mazina gota zinanga ko. Na sino sala tozi gazanga ko. Nebye fumba baby tobi yanga kondo. Nino mkwano, nino kusede na kusele Amazima, ata torwa yo bebe torwa. Tali ali kwa galanga ani swaga. Nino mkwano, nino kusede na kusele Amazima, ata torwa yo bebe torwa. Tali ali kwa galanga ani swaga. Come see the way you run this city. Why every man wanna boss this city? I make you stand up and roll with you. Come see me, come see me. Come see the way you run this city. Why every man wanna boss this city? I make you stand up and roll with you. So come see me, come see me. Give it again.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for supporting Jokers. I can see my fellow TikTok in the building. I can see my fellow TikTok in the building. I also have a concert at Theatre La Bonita in August. 30th. August. I want you guys to support me. I'm going to be at Theatre La Bonita in August. It's going to be so massive. I said some of them original, some of them are imitated. Say what? Some of them original, some of them are copycat. I said some of them original, some of them are imitated. I said some of them original, some of them are copycat. Some of them original, some of them are imitated. Stay with me. Some of them original, some of them are copycat.
Some of them are copycat.
I said some of them original, some of them are imitated.
Some of them are copycat.
I said some of them original, some of them are copycat.
Some of them are copycat. Watch your titty, Martin.
It's just a moment of silence. It's just a moment of silence, right? Just to remind you, I am proudly sponsored by Zanji Paul. I say what? Wait, what am I going to
Watch your titty, Martin.
Thank you so much. I just want to 6. Thank you so much, man. Thank you.